Karting, having a go, getting into what is a fantastic. Here we go then, heat number 2, and we're away with race number 2 in the Honda Cadets. It's a great stop from Jaydan GREGG, and he's got himself into the lead there as they all go into oblivion for the first time. Looked to me like the number 16 was having problems with turning there in the middle of the pack. Hayden GRAY, just check that he gets through cleanly. Tommy HARFIELD though down to second place in the early phases here as they go through the top part of the circuit, and it is still Jaydan GREGG, but he is under pressure from HARFIELD to try and get this one back. Onto the grass behind them goes Kacee LYNCH there in the 41, going to drop back quite significantly there as a result of that. That's the worst time you can have it in many respects on that first lap, where it does give you the most time to try and recover it. Oscar TUMILTY just there in the middle of the pack trying to move there. Jaydan GREGG in the lead of this one though at the end of the lap, ahead of Bolton to Tommy HARFIELD. Behind them looks like that JOSLYN coming to third place. Yes it was, just got by Joe Cheek there. This one right here, Ryutaro SAKAI trying to make a move there on Jenson GRAHAM in the 24-inch with I can see in the mid-pack there. As look at this for the lead of the race, Jaydan GREGG under pressure from HARFIELD. HARFIELD gets through on the inside of Christmas corner. Doesn't feel like it's done yet though, because GREGG is going to have the switchback out of those corners. Can he do anything with that heading into Aston corner? Is he going to look for the inside? No, he's not, and he's under pressure now from immediately by Henry JOSLYN, who's having a really good day here. Racing away into Wilkins down the inside. Lovely judgment there by Henry JOSLYN. And JOSLYN's going to go for the lead as well on the 20 of Tommy HARFIELD. Does he get the job done? Yes, he does. What a sequence of corners there for Henry JOSLYN. Brilliant stuff there from the young driver. And Jaydan GREGG and all that has got back past HARFIELD, but HARFIELD's on the grass because the number 10 there is coming to come into the picture. But now was the contact that led to that one. I mean, HARFIELD's back up and running, but that was Ewan CHARMAN coming in there, and I wonder if there was any contact to be seen as they came through there. But Ewan CHARMAN, apologies, I didn't come here at all coming up through the order. But here's the replay. So Ewan CHARMAN's coming in. Oh, I think there was just. I think that was just. Yeah. Just ran wide there, and there wasn't. I didn't see contact there. I think he was just running out of road there for HARFIELD. You'd argue that CHARMAN had the right to do that. His car wasn't positioned. Now CHARMAN is on the tail of second place Jaydan GREGG. So Henry JOSLYN leads, Jaydan GREGG in second, with CHARMAN on his tail, and Jaydan GREGG said, "Let's work together." So CHARMAN is taking the line that would make me believe he's working with him there. That looks a very odd line to be taken if you're working together, for all concerned. Oscar TUMILTY coming up behind as well, fourth place. You can see the Tommy HARFIELD coming up to the Here we go though, CHARMAN down the inside of GREGG at Christmas corner and got the job done, nice and clean there. Now, CHARMAN will try to set his sights on Henry JOSLYN at the head of the field, and immediately Jaydan GREGG is under pressure from Oscar TUMILTY. Further back here is what we're talking about, Devon Nolan now being attacked by Tommy HARFIELD. HARFIELD has got by. So HARFIELD doing well with the recovery here after that incident in the boot early on in the race. Harfield gets himself up into 5th place. Devon Nolan, and there he goes down the inside of Osiers, but he cut away. Pretty good for Joe Cheek. I think he'll have got the job done there. Indeed he has, but coming back at him is the 54 of Devon Nolan. Still Jaydan Gregg defending against Oscar TUMILTY. Joslyn in the lead. The 10 of Ewan CHARMAN is second. Jaydan Gregg is third. And then Oscar TUMILTY. There's Tommy Harfield. And then Devon Nolan. Another. Very wide there in Christmas corner. Going defensive there into Osiers. Read it well. Oh, and that's put the 56 of Hayden CLARK there, doing his best rallycross audition there across the grass. We're back though with a battle over second place as we come on to the last lap. No, not second place, it will be third place. Ewan CHARMAN is in second quite comfortably. We are watching the battle between Jaydan Gregg and Oscar TUMILTY. So it's Henry JOSLYN in the lead, Ewan CHARMAN in second. Then this battle over third, and we are indeed on the last lap. Gregg versus TUMILTY. TUMILTY's going to go to the outside line and try and get the cutback out of the corner. Better drive out the corner. And indeed, you can see how he's now gaining as they head towards Ashman Corner. It's going to be downhill braking. Gregg feels the need to go defensive. Jaydan Gregg on the inside. Again, he's going to be compromised on corner exit. But he should be able to hold the inside line for Wilkins here and hold on to this third place. Through Wilkins they go. It's going to have to be down his Roses, but he's gone wide, and surely that's going to allow TUMILTY to have a go there. Indeed, he goes down the inside of Osiers' corner, but he hasn't got the drive off the corner. Side by side here, further ahead. Bear in mind that this is not for the lead of the race. We've got to keep an eye on the finish line, because coming around is Henry JOSLYN to take a very impressive win. There he is. JOSLYN crosses the line to take the win in Heat 2. Then it is Ewan CHARMAN, but for third place it is just going to be Jaydan Gregg there across the line by 1/10 of a second. Brilliant drive though by Henry JOSLYN. Next up is going